Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab A9 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this device. First of all, you need to open Play Store and click on the search bar. Then type in DevCheck and install free app called DevCheck Device and System Info from Flare2 Developer. When your app is ready, open it. Now, thanks to it, you can learn all the information about your device's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and even sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!